Today we're looking at more greetings, looking at greetings. Just to recap on what we've learnt so far. Hi, hello, hey, yo. Don't forget, yo, very informal. You only say yo if you're a very close friend. So if you're not sure of saying hello or hi, check back to the greetings one lesson and you can learn something there. Okay? How are you? Hello? How are you? You're fine. That's great. That's great. Oh, I'm fine too. Thanks for asking. How's it going? Oh, it's going so well. I've started this new job and I'm doing really good at it. Thank you. Hi, how have you been? Oh, really good, thanks. We got married this year, so I'm really enjoying married life. Hello, what's new? Ooh, my child has started a new school this time. She was quite nervous, but that's what's new. She's quite nervous. She started a new school. Hi, what's happening? Oh, look, what's happening? Oh, I know. There's a flood in town and people are coming away. That's what's happening. Yo, what's up? Very informal. Yo, what's up? Come on, we're playing football. Are you coming? That's what we've recapped on for greetings. Today, we're going to look at where you haven't seen someone for a long time. So it could be a relative, it could be a friend, it could be an old colleague that you've worked with. You haven't seen them for a long time. You begin with, hello, how are you? You can start with the first greeting, but you could have a look at this. Hi, long time no see. Long time no see. Now I've put these, they're informal because you wouldn't really talk to a person that you've worked with just once or for a short period of time. So these are quite close friends, somebody that you know very, very fondly and you have a lot of engagement with them. The next one. Oh, hi, I haven't seen you in ages. Hi, I haven't seen you in ages. Can you hear my tone of voice changes in a lot of ways in that part? Hi, I haven't seen you in ages. The time, ages. Hello, what have you been up to? Because you don't know. You don't know what they've been up to, so you want to find out. Hello, what have you been up to? They can come back with they've been on vacation, or they've just married, or if they're children, they've just started a new school, they've joined a social group. What have you been up to? Hi! Where have you been hiding yourself? Where have you been hiding yourself? I've moved away from this town to another town. I've moved away. I'll give you my address. Maybe we can contact each other. That's how you go that conversation. A formal way. Um, oh, hello. It's been a long time. And that's all you would say. Sometimes they would say, oh, yes, nice to see you again. Hello, nice to see you. And that's all I would say. Yeah, for a formal greeting for someone that you haven't seen for a while. Okay, so that's just another step on greetings, and this one's part 3 where we've recapped part 1 and 2 together, but we've looked at different phrases asking people what they've done, what they've been doing when you've been apart. and you've come back again, you can these phrases. Let's recap them. Hi, long time no see. Hello, I haven't seen you in ages. What have you been up to? Where have you been hiding yourself? There's some phrases for greeting people who you have not seen in a long time. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for all those comments. I do reply to them. So thank you once again, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye for now.